South Korea has seen a string of blockbuster IPOs on the local stock market recently. Going public today was the country's biggest game developer, Krafton, maker of the hit game PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, known to fans as PUBG. But day one was a disappointment for investors, shares closing about 10% off the IPO price. Bae Eun-ji has more.
On Tuesday, South Korea's biggest game developer Krafton, the firm behind the global hit PlayerUnknown's Battlegrounds, struggled on its market debut on the benchmark KOSPI. Last week, the company's IPO price was set at around 498,000 Korean won. But on the first day of trading, the stock opened at 448,500 won, or $390, which is around 10% lower than its IPO price. There were ups and downs during the day, but in the end, it closed at 454,000 won, or about $395.
Usually, on the first day of trading, stock trades at a higher price than the IPO price, but not all stocks open at a higher price. So even if it's a big IPO deal, it's important for retail investors to make sure that the IPO price is reasonable before investing.
Krafton's listing was expected to make one of the biggest ever splashes on the local bourse. However, analyst concerns about its overvaluation saw the game developer's IPO draw a lukewarm response from retail investors. During last week's two-day IPO subscription period, the firm raised deposits of around $4.35 billion. This was far smaller than other IPOs this year, such as SKIE Technology, which raised $70 billion, and SK Bioscience, which pulled in $55.4 billion. That being said, Tuesday's stock price puts Krafton's market capitalization at nearly $19 billion, making it the 20th largest company in South Korea by market cap and the country's biggest game maker by market value. Krafton topped other large gaming companies such as NCSoft, which has a market cap of $15.7 billion, and Netmarbles, which is some $10 billion. Bae Eun-ji, Arirang News.